Good day, viewers. Are you struggling with how to write a rationale of the study for your thesis, dissertations, or research paper? Okay, this video is for you. So in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to write an impressive rationale for any research project. Whether you are working on chapter 1 of the thesis, an undergraduate project, or a postgraduate dissertation, what I'm about to show you will help you to write an impressive rationale. So sit tight, follow me while I take you through on what a rationale of the study means and why it matters. Also show you how ChatGPT helps generate and refine your rationale section. Show you examples of strong rationales for research projects and dissertations, and also show you step-by-step prompts to use for writing the rationale using ChatGPT. Okay, so let me quickly explain what a rationale is in research. The rationale in research is the justification of reason for conducting a study. It explains why the research is important, why the topic was chosen, and what problem or gap in existing knowledge the study intends to address. Essentially, it provides the logical foundation for the study and inconveniences readers that the research is necessary for them, and of course valuable. Here are the key elements you must note when writing your rationale. Background of the study. Brief context showing what is already known about the topic. Problem or knowledge gap. What is missing, unclear, or unaddressed in existing research. Purpose of the study. What the research aims to achieve or discover. Significance of or relevance. Why the study matters and who benefits from it. For instance, academics, policymakers, or organization. Another one is theoretical or practical contribution. How the study will add to theory, practice, or policy in the field. Okay, so look at your screen very well while I show you how you can use ChatGPT to write impressive rationale. ChatGPT. Okay. You can actually get more knowledge on this if you click the link below this video and get your own customized ChatGPT. And also this is going to be the end of chapter 1 video. So subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment so you can get more updates on chapter 2. Okay, so the customized prompt is open. I'll now get my research format. copy my research format and then paste. Okay, so I prompted 1.8 for the rationale of the study. Beautiful. We have gotten my rationale ready. So all I have to do is to copy it and take it to my Microsoft Word, where I can do editing if necessary. Wonderful. So the rationale is ready. So please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get more updates on the chapter 2, the literature review. Thank you. I still remain Rich Edit, your research consultant.